Sciatica nerve. Sciatica is the condition in which there is shooting pain along the course of the sciatic nerve on back of the thigh. The nerve starts from lumbar and passes to greater trochanter of femur and ischial tuberosity of hip bone. Condition is due to pressure or irritation of the nerve roots of sciatic nerve. Let's look at some of the exercises to reduce the level of pain. Take the ball and stand on the side which is painful. Place the ball on the greater trochanter and press it against the wall and gently massage, rolling the hips side to side. There you go. Continue doing it 2 to 6 times in a day, this particular exercise. As you can see, that pressure will help you to release some amount of pain as this is putting pressure on that sciatic nerve. The common causes for this sciatic pain could be intervertebral disc prolapse. Common levels are L4, L5 or L5S1. 2. Osteoarthritis of lumbar spine. 3. Sacroiliac strain. 4. Hip bone diseases. And 5. Lordosis or scoliosis of the lumbar spine. So even though there is lot of people suffer lot of pain, but we have noticed these simple exercises will be helpful in reducing the level of pain. Let's move on to the second exercise. Release the ball. And come into all fours position on the mat. Place your hands directly under your shoulders, your knees directly under the hips. From this position, bring the painful leg forward into L shape. Extend the other leg straight. And stay in this position. As you can see, this lengthens the sciatic nerve and helps you to release the pain. And hold this position for 30 seconds without holding your breath. Focus on breath work because it's very, very important to continue breathing. If you don't supply enough oxygen, that will in fact strain the muscle further. After this, let's move on to next exercise. Lie down on your back. Bring the painful leg forward and hold it along the thigh, back of your thigh. And from this position, extend the leg to the ceiling. Flex your feet towards your belly button and point it. This will again stretch the nerve and help you to release the pain. Continue doing it 6 to 8 reps in a very slow and smooth transition. Now let's move on to the next exercise. From the same position, place the painful leg on the other leg in the figure of 4. Now bring the folded leg towards your belly button. And once again you can feel that stretch, which in turn help you release the pain. Hold this for 10 counts and release. Continue doing it for 6 to 8 or up to 10 reps. Focus should be on breath work. Inhale, exhale. And now let's look at the other option. This time we will use the chair. Now slowly release and gently come up. And sit on the chair. and place the painful leg in the figure of 4 on the other leg. And as you can see, automatically the nerve is getting that stretch, and which will help you to release the pain. Focus should be on the breath work. So viewers, it's not necessary that you have to do the series of these exercises. You can choose the variation that is comfortable for you. Some of you may not be able to lie down on the floor. Like I said, you can lie down on the bed and continue doing it, but you need to have a firm mattress. But the ball variation that we have shown, you can do it every day and include it with that gentle massage and help. You can see the change for yourself, and hope this will help you, and we are sure this will help you. That's why we are bringing you this therapy exercises. All the best.